Jessie, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a bit of organisation on the disaster that is the top of our fridge. This is where we keep all of our medications and health type things, and as you can see, it is a nightmare. So we need to do something about that. Before I show you my mini Kmart haul for this project, I want to quickly remind you to please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out a lot and you won't miss any videos from me in the future. With that being said, let's look at what I bought. As you can see in the before shots, we were using these containers that I also got from Kmart. They're really good. They open up like this and they have the handles, so they stack really nicely, but they just didn't fit everything in. So I ended up picking up more of the drawers that I used under my kitchen sink. These are fantastic. They slide really easily and they stack really nicely with these dots. There we go, with these dots on the top. So I have a couple of those. I also have some that have 2 drawers instead of just the one. So we will see how I go with all of those drawers. I had been eyeing off this storage turntable from Kmart, which I'll put on the screen, because every single store I went to around my house and around where I work was always sold out, and then I went online to just order it and they are sold out there too. So I had to improvise. And this little combination is what I came up with. We have a Lazy Susan, which they call a clear storage turntable, which is pretty much exactly the same thing. It just doesn't have the high sides like the one I wanted to buy. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do the hairdryer trick again on these labels. They suck. But I also got this, which is a fillable cake stand. So you would normally use it to put a cake on top and you can fill this up with cool stuff so it looks awesome. But what I'm going to do is put them together. I'm going to use like a little bit of Velcro or something between the 2 pieces so this doesn't move around like that, because we only want it to move around like that. So what I'm going to do is take the lid off of this and just keep it open so that we can stack things inside that are too tall to go in the drawers, and things that we kind of want easy access to. So that is my plan. We will see how it works. Before I do that though, I want to see if this is actually going to work. Okay, so that's what it looks like without the lid. The lid is just like a tiny little thing, so you can barely even tell that it's meant to have one. Take that out and we have a perfect little storage container which fits very nicely on here. So we will have to get our hairdryer out to get rid of this because Kmart sucks, and put a little bit of Velcro down to keep it from wriggling around when it spins. But that's going to work pretty well, I think. Almost. Now that is ready to be Velcroed together. I think this is way bigger than what the one Kmart sells would have been anyway. I think. I might be wrong, I don't know. Now we gotta do the same to the drawers. Take the drawer out, it's gonna be a bit easier. See if I can get a clean peel. Oh, so satisfying. It's the little things in life, guys. If you don't have fun with normal, boring, mundane stuff, you are not living life correctly. Last one. Yay! So I decided to use some of these little command hooks. Hooks, they're not hooks. The little, like, oh my god, words. The sticky things that you hang pictures to the wall with. Anyway, so we're gonna use these. There's 4 of them. I thought I'd maybe like just put like 1, 2, 3, 4, just to make sure that it stays in place really nicely. They're quite thin as well, so the Velcros are a bit thicker than this. So let's try it.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite it's on. I put my feet.
That worked awesome. Obviously you can see the 4 little sticky things, but that doesn't matter. This is not moving and I haven't even pushed them down that hard. So once it's full of stuff, that will really like stick them together. But yeah, this is pretty great. It's a good alternative when Kmart is not restocking stuff. I lined them up as close to perfectly as I could be, or as I could get. They both had a little circle in the middle, so I just kind of tried to line the little circles up, and they're pretty close, so it's pretty much the same distance around the edge apart the whole way, so it looks clean and nice and kind of like it's supposed to be like this. But yeah, I'm really quite proud of this little DIY. What a good idea. So that's all the stuff that I bought. I do have some things around the house that we might also use, but for now, let's go clean the top of the fridge off and bring all of our medications and things into this room so I can start to organize.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Okay, I have a big pile here. Ignore the painting stuff in the background. We're going to go through these 2 boxes and this little handful of stuff here. See what's expired, organize the rest of it like this. All these pills are just loose and it's so annoying. So, also I'm aware you can't really see my face. But we're going to time lapse this anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let's go.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Okay, and we're done. So as you can see, I used all of the drawers, both the 1 drawer and 2 drawers, and I used the Lazy Susan and that old acrylic container that I had before. Leave a comment below with what you guys think of the mini makeover I've done on this space. I am way happier with it now. It's so much cleaner for one, and it's organized, it's clear where everything needs to go, and we can easily get to everything. I've pulled so much stuff that we can get rid of, and now we know exactly what we have and where to find it. Eventually I will have nice pretty labels on it, but for now it's just easy so that I know where stuff is and Evan can find things as well. Once we do renovate our kitchen, I don't think we're going to be keeping this stuff on top of the fridge anymore. For one, we will have a new fridge and we will also have like cabinets and stuff there. So we'll have a space that works a bit better for this, because I don't really like how the drawers are facing a different way and then the Lazy Susan's on the other side. That's just the only way that it fit, so that's how it is. But once we renovate, we'll put it in a different spot. For now, this works really well though. I'm just so happy that it's clean and everything has a home. So that's all from me today, guys. Please don't forget to like or subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hello, we're trying to work out lighting in here. Okay, bye. You want to film with me today? You do. Oh, thank you. Ah! What is this? Excuse me. Drop it. Drop it. Kai, drop it. That is a heat pack. That's not for you guys. Get out of the paint. Thank you. Medication. Kai, drop it. No. No. This is a heat pack. It is not for puppies. Oh, dog kisses. Oh, my big baby boy.